Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel, I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update of our $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this, this is an investment journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years, using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is to try to achieve 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. We do take into account losses, and it's not 201 consecutive trades. So further details are available in the description below, and also information with regard to how to join. In the previous video, we did a stock update on ticker symbol XELA, which also included due diligence. So please refer back to the previous video for an important stock update on ticker symbol XELA. We also did a stock update on ticker symbol SENS, Senseonics. This is a stock that is doing extremely well right now. So please refer back to the previous video with regard to a huge potential catalyst upcoming for Senseonics. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at ticker symbol ABML, American Battery Metals, and an important update for that. Before we look at ABML, we're going to start by having a quick update of institutional buys for ticker symbol MMAT Metamaterials. So just before we look at the key institutional buys, we're going to have a quick look at the chart for the previous 5 days for ticker symbol MMAT. On the screen here, we can see around about the 2nd of February 2022, it was trading close to $2, and it has come down quite significantly since then. And right now, at time of editing, it's trading around about $1.65. Does seem to have strong support just above $1.50. Hopefully this continues. Let's now proceed to have a look at the key institutional buys for the first quarter. The key institutional transactions for the first quarter 2022. So what I'm going to do now with you is share 73 institutional filings that have been reported for the first quarter of 2022. So these are now broken down on the screen. So first of all, we have 32 reported increased positions. So that is excellent news. We also have 14 reported opening and new positions. That's also very good news. We have 14 reported holding with no change. We have 7 reported decreasing but still holding a position, and we have 6 reported that have closed the position. So overall, in terms of the total shares from closed filings, we're looking at 33,500. But on a positive note, we have total shares from opening filings in excess of 1.1 million. So what this does indicate that institutions do believe that Metamaterials is significantly undervalued. I think that's also the case with most investors. We did not expect the price to get as low as it is currently. In terms of going forward for March, I think we're now also getting closer to an announcement from the company with regard to the special dividend. Hopefully that will also have a positive impact on the share price. So I'm now going to provide an important update for ticker symbol ABML, American Battery Metals. This is a stock that has been featured on a number of occasions on the channel. So before we look at the important update, let's have a quick look at the 5-day chart. So on the screen here, we can see at time of editing, the stock was trading around about $1.05. But I think what's certainly interesting is just prior to the 3rd of February 2022, the stock was coming down quite strong and quite significantly. And at one point, it was getting close to a price of 85 cents. Prior to this, we did see the stock very briefly hit a price of close to 56 cents. So that was tremendous and excellent buying opportunity for anybody who did manage to catch this very close to the 56 cents. And if you were able to get that, congratulations, your return right now would be very, very close to 100%. So from the 3rd of February, we can see strong recovery, strong uptrend in the stock. And we can see it's at one point it did get close to $1.10, and right now we're trading at $1.05. Hopefully it's got strong support above the $1. What I'd now like to do is share a retweet from the company, and this was retweeted on the 7th of February. This was also immediately shared in the Discord, and shortly after this retweet, we did see the stock go up close to 10%. So let's have a look at the details of the tweet in question. You can see on the screen here, the company have stated in their retweet, newsflash, super excited to announce our collaboration with American Battery Technology Company and BASF for the production of recyclable green battery technology. And we are all charged up for this exciting endeavor. So this is excellent news. This is strong indication of a potential partnership going forward, and hopefully potentially more to come. What I would now like to do is give a quick shout out to Myth, who's been sharing some outstanding photos of construction so far. He also has a YouTube channel, and I'm going to share the link of that in the description below, and this will enable you to have access to some outstanding drone footage as well. So let's have a look at the photo, one of the photos that's just been shared recently. And the good news here we can see on the screen is the walls have now been started to be erected, and on the screen here, which is an aerial footage, we can see 4 walls there now been erected. So hopefully there'll be more to come, and let's have another angle of this in terms of how it's been going so far. And I think in this second photo, which is a side view, what's interesting here that more walls have been erected, so this is good news. And let's now have a quick look at the ABTC stock website in terms of an update from the Gantt chart. So on the screen here, you'll be able to see that currently we're about 5 days ahead of schedule estimated. On the left hand side, we're currently also 44% complete for the pilot plant. So that kind of indicates that we're almost halfway there. And on the right hand side, from black mass point of view, we can see we're 31% completed. So almost a third of the way there. Let's now have a quick look at the Gantt chart. So according to the provided Gantt chart, we're looking at estimated completion potentially early June 2022. So let's now have a look at what's already been fully completed so far in terms of construction. So we have the building base, that's 100% done. We also have the foundations, 100% completed. We have the underslab, 100% completed, the SOG, and also the form and pour panels, that's been 100% completed. So the next stage is going to be the structural steel, then we're going to have the roofing, and then we're going to have production building complete a few stages after that. And after that, then we're looking at the owner equipment being added, we're looking at critical equipment being added, and towards the late final stages, we're looking at secondary equipment being added. So this is very interesting in terms of the overall progress, and the good news is it's certainly ahead of schedule. And finally, if you'd like to get advance notification of breaking news with regard to stocks like ABML, please join us in our Discord for as little as $9 a month. Details in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.